Install this wig with me with a very low hairline. I was a little nervous at first because this is 613 hair, so it would be a little bit more noticeable. But the first thing I do is cut any excess lace in a zigzag motion and notch it across. And you can see it is far from perfect. But all I needed was my melting spray and I was good to go. This is in real time of the lace melting, period. Then just put on a melting band and style the hair. I added some baby hairs, of course, to complete the look. And that's it. It didn't come out perfect, but it still came out cute, okay? Later, besties. Alright y'all, here is the detailed installation of the blonde wig. So first you're going to cut out your ear tabs. So when you put on your glue, it can lay down flat. Use a popsicle stick and just lay down that glue. Do as many layers as you like. I just did 2 and then I laid it on top when it got clear. Now here's the key. Hot comb it right after. It's going to melt the glue and the lace in your scalp. Cut the lace in a zigzag motion and then melt it with the Ebin black spray. Put on your wig band until you lose circulation in your damn head. Make sure you put on heat protector before flat ironing your hair. It gives it a silkier look while protecting the hair. And that's basically it. I did my edges. This is how it came out. I did the little stiffness test. Barely passed. But yeah, you know how I was definitely feeling like a black Barbie. Let's attempt bangs. I'm not gonna add any glue. You're not gonna see the lace for real. Oh. Oh. He's like hella thick. Look how... I think I'm done. This is the final look. I don't know how to feel about it. It's not gonna work. Shea Moisture. I'm gonna come back when it's dry because I don't want y'all hair in the blow dryer. I know that's annoying. Is it like 90% dry? I do want to fluff out the curls to give it more volume. Just look at the difference before and after. I'm gonna do a little test strand with mousse. Should I put water on it first? I'm gonna curl. Oh, finger curling it. Okay. This is not gonna work.
Turn my deep wave wig into water wave curls with me.
Looking like Jessica Rabbit, they know that I'm dropping the classic. Money is under the mattress, wonder what I owe in taxes. Label sent over a new deal, somebody hand me my glasses. Is this money out for me, my girl? Shit is massive. This single belong to BP, my girl. Yeah, they gassy. I stop cross on when he be digging me out, I feel like a bad bitch. Pretending I'm getting along with these bitches, it's hard cause I'm not an actress. NBA niggas go out, listen over my sister, they sipping, they practice. Niggas get nervous when we sitting courtside instead of shooting niggas past it. Pulling up outside of Magic, pulling up outside of Magic. Low when I'm ripping the plastic, low when I'm popping elastic. 777 on the deck, you ain't never hearing nobody snatch it. Georgia Peach, you know that I'm keeping it ratchet. That nigga gave me his heart.